Good morning, student. This is your computer teacher Nagendra Kumar. I hope you all are fine at your home. In last two videos, I had discussed combinational circuit. Within this, I had already discussed two combinational circuit, that is half adder and full adder. Today, I am going to discuss your two more combinational circuit, that is encoder and decoder. So let's start encoder and decoder. Encoder and decoder are used to convert the data from one form to another form. That is, if encoder convert the data from decimal to binary, then decoder decodes it to binary to decimal. And if encoder having 2 to the n inputs, then it's had n outputs. In decoder, it is just reverse. If decoder having n inputs, then it has 2 to the n outputs. So function of decoder is exactly opposite to encoder. Now see this, the two block diagram, one is for encoder and another for the decoder. See the first one, in first one the 7027, 8 inputs are there. So if 8 inputs, it means 2 to the power n, it means 2 to the power 3. So 3 outputs in encoder. Now come to the decoder. Decoder has A0, A1, A2, 3 inputs here. Then if the decoder has n inputs, it means 2 to the power n outputs. It means 3 to the power 3, it is 8. So total 8 output from O0 to O7. Now come to the encoder. Process of converting signals from one type to another type is called encoding. For example, decimal to binary, decimal to octal, decimal to hexadecimal, etc. The logic circuit which perform this job is called encoder. So encoder is a combinational circuit which convert the signal from one type to another type. An encoder has a number of inputs lines, but only one of which is activated at a time. In encoder having the several input lines, but at a time only one is activated. At the output is display a value corresponding to the activated inputs. Now an encoder has 2 to the power n inputs line and n outputs line. So let's consider octal to binary encoder. In octal to binary encoder, we convert the number from 0 to 7 to equivalent binary number. Here total 0 to 7, it means I0 to I7, 8 inputs are there and the outputs are 2 to the power n, it means 3 outputs are 0 from O0 to O2. Now truth table for octal to binary encoder. So first column I have taken the octal number from 0 to 7, and from next 3 column A, B and C, I have written the binary equivalent of each number. For 0 it is all the 0. For 1 the binary equivalent is 001. For 2 it is 010. For 3 the binary equivalent is 11, so it is 011. For 4 the binary equivalent is 100. For 5 the binary equivalent is 101. For 6 the binary equivalent is 110, and for 7 111. So we have taken the 3 bit 3 output, because for the octal number we need 3 output bit. So from the truth table the function expressions are: for the C it is summation 1 3 5 7, for B it is summation 2 3 6 7, and for A it is 4 5 6 7. Here the output lines consider only those values where it produce 1 as output. So our logic circuit for octal to binary encoder, as per the expression C is equal to 1357. But first, for the logic circuit, I have to send the 0 to 7, total 8 inputs lines are there, and we have the 3 gates, one for the 3 OR gate, one for the C, one for the B, and one for the A, because OR are summation. So with the C we have send the line 1, 3, 5 and 7. For B, the input lines are 2, 3, 6 and 7, and for A the input lines are 4, 5, 6 and 7. So this is the final logic diagram of octal to binary encoder. Now decoder. Decoder is an inverse of encoder. Decoder is a logic circuit which converts a binary number into its equivalent decimal form. A decoder has n input and an enable line E, and it has 2 to the power n output line. Keep in your mind, decoder has n input, then 2 to the power n outputs. Apart from that, it has also an enable line E. See this diagram, 2 to the 4 decoder. Here 2 input line is there, I0 and I1. So 2 input line, it is 2 to the power 2. It means 4 output line from O0, O1, O2 and O3. And apart from this one, we have the one enable line E1 for the decoder. So student, for today I have only discussed the block diagram of decoder. Now in next class I have to explain the circuit diagram of 2 to the power 4 decoder or other 2 to the power 3 to the power 8 decoder and other. So student, that's all for today. Stay at home, stay